Meaning of elastic.
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 Elastic. Elastic refers to the property of a material or substance to be able to stretch or deform under pressure and then return to its original shape once the pressure is removed. This property is due to the ability of the material's molecules to move and rearrange themselves when force is applied. Elastic materials are used in various applications ranging from clothing to engineering. They provide flexibility and durability while withstanding stress and strain. In summary, elasticity allows materials to be stretched or compressed and then bounce back to their original size and shape.